For a fast-paced world, mobility is key. The RYOBI Link mobile storage system keeps you moving. Each toolbox automatically locks on when stacked. Unlock the toolboxes with the press of a button. The rolling toolbox has large, durable 9-inch wheels built of high-grade, non-marring rubber, and with the steel axle, traverse any terrain. A telescoping steel handle easily transports a 200-pound load, or remove the handle to fit underneath a truck tonneau cover. Impact-resistant latches and integrated accessory bit storage and included organizer bins provide maximum organization. The IP65 rating for water and dust keeps your tools secure, dry, and clean, no matter the conditions. The RYOBI Link toolboxes will stack on the Link mobile storage or hang on the Link wall rails for full system compatibility. RYOBI Link. Organize, access, transport. Available exclusively at the Home Depot.